Hello everyone, this is Carlos with CLEANSTONE Floor Care. We're here at a residence in Riverside that we are deep cleaning the tile and grout on, doing some repairs throughout, but we're also going to color seal this grout. So our deep cleaning process restores the grout about, depending on if it's been sealed or not lately, 90 to sometimes 100% to its like new appearance. Most of the time 100%, but in some cases this house has not been cleaned for good 6-7 years, so the customer wanted a color seal just to get that perfect consistent looking grout, and so we've agitated, we've pre-treated, and we are getting ready to deep clean here, doing some re-grouting work. And so that's what we're going to do, and we're going to show you guys the process. Stay tuned. So here what we're doing is the edges to get as close to the baseboards without causing any warping damage or anything, but just, you know, just to get underneath and do all the detailing. We use the edger tool, and then we use our main floor tool to do the pressure, heat, and extraction. But at the same time, guys, it's very important that we neutralize any cleaning agents that we've applied to the grout. So we use 2 pH balance solutions, one alkaline side, one acidic, to neutralize the cleaner. That way the color seal bonds correctly and it gives us the best results. So that's what we're doing at this point, and we'll show you the deep cleaning and the color seal process next. You can already tell that this grout is going to end up drying up pretty close to what it was originally, just with our deep cleaning process. But as I mentioned, we'll move the fridge right now, right? As I mentioned, the color seal is just going to make it that much better, and it'll also protect versus just putting a clear seal. The color seal is a restoration product that makes the grout look 100% consistent without leaving a like painted on finish. It'll still leave that sanded grout look, which is what you want for that rustic appearance, but without causing any stains and just preventing the floor from staining and so forth. Stay tuned. Guys, this is the finished result here. All color sealed. Grout repair there. Grout repaired. Color sealed. It's all uniform now. Looks awesome. The customer is stoked. Nice little rinse and we're good to go.